Hi, welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how millions of cakes are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
In this vat, flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and natural flavorings meet in exacting ratios. The automated paddles fold and sweep them together, creating a thick, glossy batter. Every rotation is measured.
Cooling PID engaged, temperature dropping.
Mix speed up to 415 logging data.
Copy. Holding.
Every cake is baked at a precise temperature for perfect texture. Every cake is baked at a precise temperature for perfect texture.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how millions of cakes are made, from start to finish.